Mm-hmm. Hey guys, what's up? As you know, it's your girl Lizzy. So today I got up and I wasn't really feeling well, to be honest. I had a rough night and I took some sleep aid this morning around 6, and then after that got a little rest. Then I get up to start my day, and my day was just thrown off because the sleep aid was still inside my system, and with me not getting enough rest, so it has been a rough day for me, and just struggling throughout the day to do what needs to get done, reach out to clients, do my follow-ups and stuff like that. And with the struggles of the day, at some point I was like, I should just take the day off, get some rest, and relax. And then there was another side of me saying that you need to reach out to your clients, you need to do a follow-up, see what progress they're making, and that way you can guide them as to what to do next. So I did some amount of that, and I say that to say that it doesn't matter what your days are like, you have to try your best to do something that is progressive. A client is not going to call you and say, oh hi Liz, I reached out to the financial institution today and they said that I should take in this document or that document. They don't care. They're not going to call you, because at the end of the day, as agents, we're dime a dozen, we're all around, so we have to ensure that our clients are our number one priority, and as such we have to do the work to keep them, to ensure that they're on the right path, and ensure that they're comfortable with us. So I did some amount of contacts, as I said to you, and after that I say, you know what, I'm gonna go on the road. I need to pay an employee for some work that she did for me, and I need to drop by the store. And of course, after the day that I've had, I decided, you know what, I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna have a nice fish, I'm gonna eat, and I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my evening and just relax a little. And basically that's what I'm doing right now, so again, as agents, we have to work hard and play a little, that's all I have to say for today. So I'm going back to my fish and my festival of, well, what's left of it, and of course I'm gonna enjoy it. And tomorrow is another day where I'm gonna get up again, keep the ball rolling, reach out, prospecting, do all that that I'm supposed to do. And of course, at the end of the day, if you want to be successful as a real estate agent, you have to just get out there, get the job done. No client is going to come and knock on your door and say, oh hi, are you a real estate agent? I'm interested in this property, or I have a property that I want you to list for me. No client is going to do that. You have to reach out to them, ensure that they're comfortable, and want to do business with you. And how do you do that? Hard work, baby, hard work. Market yourself, go out there, be somebody that people want to be around, people want to talk to, not somebody who everybody is running away from. All right, so that's all I have to say for tonight. So enjoy yourself, guys, and of course I'll eat you up again. All right, mwah. Love you.